Today, we're diving into a cool new feature in iOS 18, hiding apps. This is a great way to declutter your home screen and keep certain apps private. So, whether you want to hide those social media apps for a digital detox or keep work apps separate, iOS 18 has you covered. Let's jump right in. On your home screen, locate the app you want to hide. Hold your finger down on the app icon for a second or two until you see a little menu pop up. In this menu, you'll see an option called Require Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your device. This is what lets you lock and hide apps. Tap on Require Face ID and you'll see two new options: Require Face ID and Hide and Require Face ID. Here's the key difference. This will only lock the app with Face ID, but it'll still be visible on your home screen. This is what we want. Choose this option to hide the app completely. A pop-up will appear, letting you know that the app will be hidden and only accessible through the hidden folder. More on that later. Tap Hide App to confirm. Alright, so you've hidden your app, but how do you access it again? Slide your fingers all the way to the right on your home screen until you reach the app library. Scroll down in the app library until you see a folder named Hidden. Tap on the hidden folder. You'll need to use Face ID to unlock it and see the apps you've hidden inside. Maybe you want to bring an app back to your home screen? No problem. Tap and hold on the app you want to unhide. In the menu that pops up, choose Don't Require Face ID. The app will disappear from the hidden folder and reappear in your app library. You can then drag it back to your home screen if you want. There you have it. Hiding apps in iOS 18 is a breeze. Now you can keep your home screen organized and your private apps even more private. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.